Heavy.
It's light, light, light.
It's heavy.
Yay! It's light, light, light.
It's heavy.
It's light, light, light.
It's heavy. It's big.
It's light, 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 light. It's heavy like an elephant, just floating on an inner tube, or light like an ant in outer space, just drifting through the blue. It's heavy like a rhino, just hanging out by the pool. It's light like a butterfly floating by, singing hooty hoo, hooty hoo. Woohoo! All right. When you see the picture, I want you to tell me if it's heavy or if it's light. 3, 2, 1. A house.
Heavy.
Yeah. A mouse. It's light, light, light. A camel.
Heavy.
A chick. It's light, 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 light. It's heavy like an elephant, just floating on an inner tube, or light like an ant in outer space, just drifting through the blue. It's heavy like a rhino, just hanging out by the pool. It's light like a butterfly floating by, singing hooty hoo, hooty hoo. Okay, let's go again. I'm gonna name the subject or thing, and you tell me if it's heavy or if it's light. Come on, here we go. A T-Rex.
Heavy.
Yeah. A feather. It's light, light, light. A fire truck.
Heavy.
But a caterpillar. It's light, 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 light. It's heavy like an elephant, just floating on an inner tube, or light like an ant in outer space, just drifting through the blue. It's heavy like a rhino, just hanging out by the pool. It's light like a butterfly floating by, singing hooty hoo, hooty hoo.
Good morning! Welcome to ABCM Online. My name is Teacher Sam.
My name is Teacher
And
Bo.
we are K2/7. And this week we have been learning all about height and weight measurements. And today we're going to be learning about weight measurement. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, first we're going to be looking at some different tools which can help us weigh items. Okay, so the first tool that we can use to weigh items.
Ta-da!
So here we have a mechanical scale.
Mechanical scale.
Now, as you can see, the mechanical scale has numbers going all the way around its face. And it has arrows pointing to the different numbers depending on the weight that is put inside the mechanical scale. Now, the more weight we put in and the heavier it gets, the bigger the number that the arrow points to. Mechanical scale.
Mechanical scale.
Okay, so the second tool that we can use to determine weight is
Ta-da!
digital scale.
Digital scale.
Now, digital scales are often used to weigh ourselves, as we can stand on them with our feet. So they can take much heavier weights than the mechanical scale. Now, on the face of the digital scales, the numbers are shown digitally, which is why we call them digital scales.
Digital scale.
And the number will go up the heavier the weight on the scale. Digital scale.
Digital scale.
Okay, and tool number 3 that we can use to determine weight.
Ta-da!
Okay, here we have a balancing scale.
Balancing scale.
Now, as you can see, the balancing scale has 2 sides, and depending on the weight, the scales can move. So if the weight is equal, the same on both sides, our balancing scale should be balanced. However, if one side is heavier, the scale will tip. Okay, so as you can see, our scales are no longer balanced. One side is heavier and one side is lighter. Can you see which side is heavy and which side is light? So here we have the side that is heavy.
Heavy.
And here we have the side that is light.
Light.
Balancing scales.
Balancing scale.
Okay, so there are 3 different tools that we can use to determine weight. We have mechanical scale,
Mechanical scale.
digital scale,
Digital scale.
balancing scale.
Balancing scale.
Okay, now we're going to be looking at some different objects and we're going to see, are they heavy or are they light? Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Let's go.
Ta-da!
Okay, so on one side we're going to have heavy,
Heavy.
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 Okay, and on our other side, if we have heavy, what else do you think we could have?
Ta-da!
Light,
Light.
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 Okay, so now we're gonna look and see which objects are heavy or light. Let's go.
Ta-da!
Okay, first we have an elephant.
Elephant.
Now, do you think that an elephant is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. An elephant is heavy.
Heavy.
Okay, next.
Ta-da!
Here we have a feather.
Feather.
Now, do you think that a feather is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. A feather is light.
Light.
Okay, next.
Ta-da!
Okay, here we have a whale.
Whale.
Now, do you think that a whale is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. A whale is heavy.
Heavy.
Okay, next.
Ta-da!
Here we have a flower.
Flower.
Now, do you think that the flower is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. A flower is light.
Light.
Okay, next.
Ta-da!
Wow, here we have a truck.
Truck.
Now, do you think that a truck is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. A truck is heavy.
Heavy.
Okay, and our last object.
Ta-da!
Okay, here we have a leaf.
Leaf.
Now, do you think that a leaf is heavy
Heavy.
or light?
Light.
Heavy or light?
Heavy or light.
Good job. A leaf is light.
Light.
Okay, so that's our different heavy and light objects. So here we have our heavy objects, which are elephant,
Elephant.
whale,
Well.
truck.
Truck.
And we have our light objects. We have a feather,
Feather.
flower,
Flower.
leaf.
Leaf.
Good job. Okay, and here's our worksheet for today. So we have a boy and a girl. And what this worksheet is asking us to do is to fill in the spaces below. Okay, so we have 3 different things that this is asking us for. This is asking us for your height. And height is how tall are we? So you're going to write your height. Then it's asking us for your age. So here we have, how old are you? Are you 3 years old? Are you 4 years old? Are you 5 years old or 6 years old? You're going to write your correct age in this space. And last, this is asking us for your weight. So how much do you weigh? And to do that, you are going to need a scale. Once you've finished filling in the box, you're going to color in the picture and then write your name, nice and clear, and your number in the top corner. Then when you're finished, don't forget to take a photo so that me and Teacher Bo can see your beautiful work. Okay, and good job today, everyone. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.